Hi guys, I'm here to unboxing the Spigmo manometer. It is a Omron M2 Basic Intelligence automatic blood pressure monitor. This is made in, I think it is made in China. Okay, so it's a 3 years warranty. I buy this in Reals 129 bucks. Okay, so there is a leaflet wherein the instruction, there's a English, Chinese, so anyway, this is the content. This is the blood pressure or the Spigmo manometer itself. And this is the cuff.
And there's a bag here.
And there's a bag here also.
If you want to take anywhere.
Okay. So first we have to open up the machine. Okay.
I love this.
Okay, so this is the button wherein you can start or to stop. It's indicate also here, which is the systolic and the diastolic. There's also a rate for pulse. So in this button, I think you have to put here for the cuff. Okay, so this is the cuff. And there's a free 4 pieces of battery. Okay, so we have to put it first, the battery. Make sure it's in the right position. Positive, negative.
More battery.
So now it's complete already, and we have to cover. Okay, so now you have to connect this one here. Okay, just press it. Okay, then make it sure that this tube you have to place here in your brachial artery. Not here, or over. Should be here, or in your pulse. Okay, so now start and just wait for the reading. (128/91). So this is the systolic, this is the diastolic, and this is your pulse rate. Or if you are not sure, because this is a digital, you have to repeat it again twice. Okay, so now we have to close it. I can show you how to wrap again. Not like this, should be like this. Okay? This is the tube and this is the arrow. ART meaning to say it's artery. Okay, open, it's here. This is my baby Yasmin. That's it. For Yasmin, it's 101/15. Okay guys, I hope you can like the video. Bye!